Clematis. The one I'm growing in my garden is called Dr. Ruppel. It is one of the most beautiful perennials in my garden. The clematis grows in USDA zones 4 to 8, and it grows to a mature height around 10 feet and spreads to a mature width around 3.5 feet. I'm shocked that this beautiful tropical looking flower can survive my cold winters of zone 5 and grow back so profusely in the spring. It blooms in May, June, and again in September. So if you pair it with another clematis that blooms in July and August, you'll have non-stop beautiful blooms climbing up your trellis. It is not deer or rabbit resistant, so try to protect it from deer and rabbits. Also note that clematis is not safe for cats and dogs to eat. If you're looking for more beautiful plants, click the flower to subscribe and check out this next video.